All right, let's go, baby. Come on. Happy Thursday, man. Let's go. Happy Thursday. All right, let me check this out. Let's check out gold. Previous daily candle closed bullish, leaving a long top wick. All right, Ohio. Sounds good, man. Daily running without a bottom wick as well, so could just be coming up to make a top wick and then come back down. But as we've seen in this market, it doesn't have to. It can literally just run without a wick. Tends to happen. Like this random daily candle. So, look at the 4 hour. 4 hour kind of pushing up. 1 hour pushing back up. Yeah, I mean, to me it looks pretty straightforward. I mean, I'm looking for buys above that line there, 89.1. Sells below 75.3. That'll be what I'm looking for. Let me check out Nasdaq. Check it out. Nasdaq closed bearish. Right now it's just kind of a doji. 4 hour pushing up though. We won't get a closure though for another 2 hours. Yeah, I mean, these are kind of the zones I'd be watching. Right. Probably right here. Change the color. Yeah, I mean, these would be the areas that I'd be kind of looking at. Let's see. I mean, you do have this area here that's kind of already in. So that is one of them. Next one would be here. We go to the 1 hour. 4 hour. Yeah, I mean, the 4 hour zones. Yeah, I mean, these are it. These are pretty much it. So we'll see if it rejects off of this. Which it is. So it's just kind of chilling in this area here. Yeah, we'll see. We got another minute for a 1 hour closure here. We'll see how this goes. See what the closure looks like. Ten seconds just about. All right, well, that close, 15-minute close with no bottom wick. 1 hour close, kind of at that. 30-minute, I mean, technically you could say it closed above, but it's pretty close. Yeah, I mean, technically. Let me go check out gold real quick. See what we got going on over here. Still in that range. We do have news today. Today, at 7:30, we got 3 red folders here. So. Okay, so, I mean, that's in about a half hour. So we will have some volume, hopefully, with that. Yeah, I don't, yeah, I mean, I just don't think I can take this. I don't think I can take it. Especially with that wick, a rejection there. I could take it for like for a small wick fill maybe, but I don't know, I might like a rejection off this. That might not be bad, just something to reject off of it. But yeah, I can definitely see this filling this wick. Go back to Goldie. Man, we get a closure below on something. That looks pretty good. Oh yeah. Come on. Man, we gotta wake up. Man, the US won their game. Go. We play what, Monday? Dang, pushing up. Pushing up. Pushing straight up. Skyrocket. We're just gonna have to wait on Goldie here. Probably. All right, it is. I can't talk. It is the waiting game. The waiting game. We got about 3 or 4 minutes for a 15-minute. No news yet until 7:30. All right, let's check NQ for fun. I mean, I think I'm going to get rid of that zone. Rock with this. Rock with this zone. Yeah, I like this zone. So NQ's got a ways to go for us to have something there. I mean, we could have maybe taken that buy. It was just a bit overextended, in my opinion. Also, you had this, like, sitting here, up here on the left, and this didn't close above that, you know? I would have really liked to see, like, this candle close a bit higher. Yeah, like up here. Then we could have been in that maybe, but still a little bit overextended for me on the 30. It is starting to rip up, though. It's coming. All right, we got 15-minute coming in here in about a minute. But we do have 7:30 coming in with news. 15 minutes. But we'll see, man. We'll see. Nothing. Nothing. Have to wait for 30. Have to wait for the 30, man. You have a 1 hour zone there too, but I think if the 30-minute, if we get that chance anyways, if this can close below, not like super far down, you know, it looks good because a 4 hour low down here. Yeah, 1 hour would be breaking obviously as well. Yeah, I think that would look pretty clean if we can get it. If we can do it. We'll see, man. Now we're just chilling, man. Now we wait. All right. Most of this is just waiting, man. A lot of it. Dang. Mm. All right, we still got like 8 or 9 minutes. Then the news comes out, man. Then we got the news. See how the news shakes out, man. Either way, we're waiting. Holy. Can't even go over far enough to see gold. You can't even see anything else. Jeez. Never been this low, huh? Not in a while. Hasn't been this low in a while. Yeah, so here's kind of the daily zone down there. That's what it's kind of bouncing around in right now. This is what it's bouncing around in, man. Kind of a bigger area here. So the news might shake us out of that, you know, in a forward momentum or downward. I guess we'll see. Up or down, man. But the news could definitely bring some volume. But could definitely bring the volume to push us one way or the other. Come on, man. Four more minutes. Jeez. Can't even find anything to the left, man. For real. For real. Just gonna troll around in here for another couple minutes, huh? Possibly. All right, we got another minute. Another minute. All right, 10 seconds here for news. Closed in the range still. Holy moly. There's the zone. See if it... Holy... All right, well, there's the zone. Goodness gracious. I do think NQ is in our range, though. Yeah, I'm going to have a sell. Might be insane, but my range, man. This is my range. Oh, never mind. We're not doing that. It could go to the next range. Actually. Insane. That's actually crazy. All right, well, we're staying out of that. That's for sure. Where's the 4 hour? Oh, that's way up there. So this one just blew straight past that 4 hour. That's crazy. Holy. What a rocket ship, man. That's wild. See how the news came out. Okay, so red numbers for the dollar, which, wow, that's way lower. Unemployment rate is green though, so a little bit of a mix. Little bit of a mix. Holy moly, gold. Holy moly. Coming down now. Holy. Dang, goalie's playing. Where's it going, man? Where are you going? Anybody in this? Holy. Well, I guess there was some volume, huh? A little bit of volume. A little bit. Dang, man. All right, we do have another kind of target here, though. If we want to take a stab at it. Coming into a 4-hour rejection zone. I mean, it's pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. Dang. What a juice box. What a juicer. We got a juicer. What did we get here? Jeez, 700 pips? Ain't no way, bro. Insane, brother. It's coming up into this zone now. Well, 4-hour rejection. I'm gonna have a limit sell in that zone. Take our shot. We'll see, we'll see. Do we dare sell the juice box? Of course we do. Absolutely, we do. We'll see, brother. We'll see. All right, we got about 1 minute. 1 minute for a 15-minute closure after the news. After the news has had time to digest a bit. Ten seconds here. Can't believe that run up. Kind of crazy. Dang, man. So this song is depressing. Anything else to it? Hide in playlist. Depressing, man. I need something upbeat. Well, that would have been nice, huh? Would have been nice. Would have been a quick 2 grand. All right, let me see NQ here. Starting to reject. Maybe. Maybe. Yeah, I mean, that would definitely be the area there. But you never know. It doesn't have to listen. Does not. Crazy. Dang, we just missed it. Just missed it, man. That's criminal. That's criminal. All right. Okay. Man. I gotta stop yawning, man. Market's putting me to sleep. Putting me to sleep, man. Oh man. Market's putting me to sleep. Whoops. All right, we still got like 6 minutes for a 1 hour closure. 8 o'clock. Chilling. We're chilling. Man, my back hurts. Oh. Five minutes. Come on. All right, guys, who's ready? We got about 4 minutes. We just missed our entry up here as well. That's awesome. Just missed it. You hate to see it. But we live to fight another day, you know? There's going to be more. More trades. Yeah, I mean, I still stand by that zone for sure. Yeah, I think only thing I could have done is a lot of times I talk about how it taps off of like the beginning and end of a candle type thing. But like where those converge. Especially at like a 4-hour zone. But that's all right. This is what we were comfortable with. And that's all that matters. Whatever you're comfortable with. Because at the end of the day, I didn't win, but I didn't lose either. So we are doing okay. We're doing all right. What a crazy candle, huh? But the zone up there tapped off nicely. Tapped right into it. We got about 2.5 minutes here. I'm gonna get rid of these. I don't think they really apply for us right now. Clear that up a bit. All right, let's take a look here. Daily kind of ripping up, but it doesn't have much of a bottom wick on the daily. 4 hour coming up. Tapped into that 4 hour zone up here. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. Want to kind of look at this area. Kind of check out and see what it's going to do here. $30-minute looks like it might still close above the range though. So that is something to keep in mind. That is something to keep in mind. All right, we got about a minute here. Let me check on NQ. Wow, came straight off that. All right, well, came straight off of there. Wow, that's kind of wild, actually. I don't see this coming down, but maybe. Maybe it grabbed that. Gonna rip all the way back down here. It's definitely possible. Definitely is possible. Wild to think about though that could happen. We'll have to kind of watch. All right, we're getting a closure here. I can see this running up for sure and filling a little bit of that range. Going without a bottom wick is kind of nice, actually. That's what I'd be looking for to get in a sell, honestly. What I'd be looking for. That looks pretty good. Got a nice rejection. Nice resistance. That actually looks pretty good. I want to see it break a little bit first. Yeah. I'm gonna stay out. Didn't quite give me what I was looking for there for now. Definitely couldn't risk that much. I could go to MGC. I could definitely go to the MGC chart, but I'll be right back. All right, what's it doing? Still just chilling? Still chilling here, man. All right, let's check out NQ real quick. NQ coming down a bit, huh? Okay. It's a pretty hefty 1 hour candle that it made, though. Either way, we're waiting. Either way, we're waiting, man. I mean, this doesn't look bad. Does not look bad. Already tapped into our zone as well. I think at this point I'm still gonna wait another 8 minutes. I'm just gonna commit to waiting. For sure. Ooh. Forgot there was a brush. Not much going on, man. Not much. Yeah, I don't think there's any more news either. Not really. Got some yellow folders, but that's about it. Is it gonna go down without us, man? Just missed our entry up there too. Unfortunately. Just missed it. Just missed it, man. Oh, snap. We got some hearts rolling. Let's go. Let's go, man. Appreciate you. Oh. Man, the USA victory as well. You'd love to see it. I mean, definitely a game we should win, but the knockout round, anything can happen. Glad they pulled it off, and still, the ref was horrible. We had 10 men for a long time. Bogus, man. That was a bogus red card. Bogus red card. Now, like, one of our best players can't even play in the next one. Ridiculous. Crazy, man. Man, this is the hardest part about trading. Waiting. Honestly, if most people could do it, they'd be successful because a lot of them have like good systems, probably profitable trading plans. They just can't stick to it. That's the problem. I wish I could every time as well, but I'm human. All right, we got 2 minutes. 2 minutes for a 15-minute closure. 30 just kind of hanging in there, man. Hanging in there. Come on. All right, 30 seconds. 30 seconds. All right, we got a 15-minute closure. I'm gonna go back to the crosshair. Kind of like this. I kind of like it. I'm gonna go check NQ. What we got going on? Yeah, I'm actually surprised it didn't come back up a little bit. Yeah, this is kind of like that. Kind of like it. Oh, too late now. Too late now, man. Now 1 hour still coming down. 30-minute coming down. Rejecting. I can't take that. Can't take it. Nothing. If there's anything on the 15-minute. Actually, there is. Not a bad zone there. Oh, go figure. So this actually isn't bad for like an onion. Not gonna lie. I don't hate this. I don't hate it. The only thing I don't like is the 1 hour kind of rejecting, and it started moving up with no bottom wick. So
to get off that darkest ground. Rising with each beat of the music is bringing. We're flames in the fire that keeps burning. We're inviting.
Not a bad zone for to have marked. I don't hate that. There it goes. I don't mind this for buys back up. Honestly. But it's only like 15-minute. Oops. Did something. I did something. Struggling. Oh man, I pulled some like weeds and stuff yesterday. My back's killing me, man. Getting too old for that stuff. Dang. Classic. Or you think I could beat somebody in chess? Think I can beat anybody? Probably not. How do I even play chess, man? What's one? I don't know what these mean. What? I don't know what this means. Yeah, get smoked. Nerd. Do it, nerd. You won't. You did, bro. What a savage. He's gonna do it. Ooh. Dang it, he's gonna take that now. Yeah, that's unfortunate. Come on. Don't fail me now. Don't fail me now. What did he do? What did he just do? What did he do now? Wait, why can't I move that one? Why can't I move this? Oh, I'd be in check. That's right. Man, whatever. Whatever. How do we do this? We're gonna have to come up with something. We're gonna have to come up with something here. Let's see. I'm gonna run out of time though. Yeah, I'm gonna run out of time, bro. What did he just do? What did he just take? Wait, he took it? How did he do that? No. I'm gonna run out. He's gonna take that. It's over. It's over. It's for sure over. You little rat. Hey, get out of my way. Get out of my way. Oh, it's over. It's big over. I mean, all he has to do is move it here. And then this one here. Yeah. It's over, man. It's over. All right, whatever. Give me out. How do these nerds know how to play chess, man? They're just out here playing chess. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Okay, so we got... Yeah, it's definitely a slow trading day. I mean, our move was up there, and it just didn't work out. Didn't work out. A 30-minute closure coming up here in about 2 minutes. Also, Nasdaq as well. Four-hour coming back down. Nasdaq likes to play, though, man. Like, this could come all the way back down here, and then you'll see the next candle is, like, all the way back up. Like 200 points. No lie. Nasdaq's wild. Look at all those candlesticks and wicks. Exactly. Now you're getting it. Now you're catching on. Look at them. I mean, a closure below. Not terrible. Not terrible for sells. Not terrible. All right, we got about a minute. What the? What the? Goldie is wild. See, you're learning. You're learning. You're saying all the things that you need to say. I'm proud of you. Goldie is wild, though. Can we just acknowledge that? Bruh. It's gonna have to come up a bit more for me there. Gonna have to. That ain't much of a wick. That ain't much of one. What is this song, bro? I don't like this one. Hide. I don't like it. I don't like it. You know what's really wild is NQ, though, like I said. NQ's the wild one. NQ's crazy. One hour turning around here. NQ, do what I said. Yep, here it comes. Here it comes. Watch. Watch this. It's gonna come like all the way back up here. Order filled. What'd I tell you? It's gonna sell off and then boom. Shabam. Unless it's trolling. Unless. Alright, I think I'm gonna... Yeah, I think I'm gonna take a stab here. Gold sells in this, maybe at the top of this zone here. Whoops. Probably trying to save me from it. Let's see. Let's see. Hmm. Nah. Nah. Look at this. Yeah, it's gonna have to come up higher. Gonna have to come up a bit higher. I'll be back.
There's a distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out. Haven't seen you in seasons, but all
Holy.
is your voice.
Look at that.
I know my limits
Look at that.
can break me down, but I'll stay till the
Zone is still there. Obviously.
minutes for quite some
Hmm.
just to see you again. 'Cause I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again
Crazy. Yeah, I kind of like the cells from up here anyways. No lie. I like the cells from up there anyways.
Order filled.
I like it. It's at least a place where I'm willing to take a shot from. You know, a better shot than down here. But could lose. As always. As always, it could, man. Yeah, I mean, a 1 hour needs a huge wick. I mean, with all these wicks, for sure. So, we'll see. We'll see, man. I'm gonna mark off where the max is for the combine that I can make, and then we'll adjust accordingly. As long as this all looks good. I need to see something strong. Strong rejection here. That's what I need to see. Need to see it, man. I think Cristiano Ronaldo plays today. Need to check on that. Need to check on it. So Spain plays at 2. And then Portugal play at 6. 6 o'clock. USA plays Belgium on Monday. Dang. It's crazy. Just struggling a bit. Struggling a bit. Order filled. Order fulfilled. That's funny. That's funny. I mean, if it'll let me, I'd like to wait for a 15-minute closure here in like 3 minutes just to see where it ends up closing. If it'll let me stay in that long. I want to wait for the closures. Need to see a strong rejection here, man. Strong. Fear rejection? You think? Fear and greed, baby. Fear and greed. My Twitch stream? No. No, I did not. Alright, I gotta wait the couple minutes here for this closure. I don't like it. I don't like that it wants to try to run back up here. Look at that 1 minute candle. Jeez. Wow. It's always like a 1 minute candle that ruins everything, man. Look at that. Oh, I wanted to hold on for the 15-minute closure, but I don't know if it'll let me, man. Don't know if it'll let me. Just want to see where it ends up here. But not my favorite at the moment. Unless that candle was just to shake out all the other people. Look at that top wick. Exactly. Now you're getting it, man. You're going to be out of casuals soon. Yeah, I don't know if I like this. But, I mean, I'm already committed to wait the 10 seconds that I said I would. I'm already committed. Not a huge fan where this is ending up.
Order filled.
We're just going to stop right there. I don't like the closure. I mean, if it goes down, it goes down. But I just personally don't like that closure anymore. Closed above again. Could still go down, but I'd rather just be out. We'll take a BE over a loss. Yeah, it's just not one I like with that closure anymore. I mean, I'd be down taking a shot, like, maybe from up here. Like, if it wants to break that. Might be down for, like, this. Yeah, yesterday's crazy, man. Up, down, up, down, up, down. We ended green yesterday, but it was just up, down, up, down. I think I'm gonna be overly cautious here. It wants to wick like way up in there. You watched the entire game? The US game? Yeah. Let's go. Proud of you. Like I said, this could do exactly what we wanted it to do, but I mean, with that closure, I think it's better to stay out, be safe, because you never know. You never know what it wants to do. Check this out. Oh, that looked pretty good. 30-minute. The NQ is insane. Insane. Yeah, I mean, I'm okay taking a shot there. Did come back into that. Did tap in it again. Can't believe you watched the entire game. That's crazy. Yeah, the stream is much closer on the delay now. It's like 10 seconds or less, like 8 or 9 seconds. Much closer now. I could even go to the ultra low latency, but I heard that like messes up the quality. Not sure if that's true or not. Not sure. Well, that's probably because Belgium's actually ranked higher, but yeah, well, ChatGPT doesn't know squat. Yeah, it definitely hurts because that was such a bogus red card. Like, that was not a red card. In all my years of playing soccer and being surrounded by soccer, that is not a red card. I was also a ref. Like, if you pause the frame, right, and see, like he was just watching in slow motion, it looked like. You got to watch it in real time. Like, he was watching the ball. Like, Balogun's head was watching the ball as he was running. And he, like, stepped on him. And then he, like, hurt himself, too. Like, he just, like, accidentally stepped on him. It was just a weird play, man. Wasn't malicious. Wasn't malicious, man. That was just unfortunate call, man. Pretty bad. Pretty bad. All right, we're gonna take a shot here if it gets up there. Did tap into that zone again, however, but I was just being overly cautious. A little bit more cautious. Win or lose, man. Oh, did it tap in at 156.9? Did. Wow. It did, it did. I mean, normally I aim for like the middle of the group. Like, normally that's where I'd be in. Yeah, like here. Went a little higher. I went a little higher this time. Kind of chilling in that area, isn't it? Chilling. Oh man. Is it going without me? It might be. No way we miss it by a couple pips. Yeah, I was just being overly cautious this time. We would be in it. Normally we would, but we got 5 minutes anyways for a 4-hour closure, and it is closing at this 4-hour support and resistance zone up here. Oh, we can't go left anymore. Never mind. So I mean, this is something to watch if the 4-hour closes up here, and then the new 4-hour runs up, no bottom wick. I'd like to be in there probably for sells. I like to be in there, but we gotta wait 4 minutes. Candle smells like money. Yeah, bro. Look at this candle. Look at this one. That's money. So this move, I mean, I'm not saying anyone's gonna do this or catch this, but that move there with one contract would have been $8,600. Yeah. Right? Pretty sure. Pretty sure. Obviously, that's if someone caught that entire thing. I mean, that's $3 grand. $3 grand right there. And that's a 15-minute candle. That's legitimately a 15-minute candle. Kind of wanted to be in that too. Just couldn't pull the trigger. Because you got that fake out. You gotta break out. Fake out. CNQ. That is not NQ. Australian? See? What I tell you, man. Sells it off like crazy. Makes that giant wick. Sells it off like crazy. And then right back up. Crazy. The 4-hour on NQ did tap up there in that zone. Well, you might get a closure above though on the 4-hour. You might get a bullish closure. Holy. It's crazy. All right, we got 1 minute for a 4-hour closure coming in. Right at the zone. Right at the zone, man. See what happens here in 20 seconds. All right, here's our closure. I think I'm gonna go back up here. Will we get it anyways? Yeah, I don't know, man. Still closed above too. I just don't want to see it going down like that first. In my opinion. I'm a huge fan. You hate to see it. Check on NQ. 1 hour close, no top wick. No top wick. 4 hour did close above. Close above. But it closed with no top wick coming into this zone here. I don't hate this for like some sells down, maybe. Maybe. Yeah, I don't hate this. I'm gonna have a limit sell over here on NQ. On NQski. See what happens. You're gonna go down without us? The going without us might be again. Again, man. That's criminal. Go check on gold. Yeah, it's just going down immediately. Unfortunate. Really wanted to see a wick up in there. Didn't get it. Yeah, this is just throwing us. You hate to see it. Nothing, man. Nothing. Man, our zone was a little too high on NQ. I mean, it wasn't for the first one, but the second one to tap in. Dang, man. Yo, I'm about to have to play some chess again. What do I do? I don't know how to play this, man. I don't get it. Oh, snap. Is it my turn? Nerd. Guy's like, this guy's unorthodox, man. This guy's unorthodox. I mean, if that's what you want to do there, Chachi. What? Yeah, he resigned because he didn't realize I trapped his queen, baby. What, who's saying? I forgot what we were talking about. Look at that. Trapped his queen. Get smoked. Smoke, buddy. He resigned. Gosh, I'm the best. What were we talking about? Who was saying what? You don't think so? I trapped him though. My man got trapped. Now that was the word he was using, yeah, you know? That had to be it. All right, we got a 15-minute closure here in about 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Yeah. Pretty exciting day. Pretty exciting stuff here. Let me check. No, that's not what he was thinking. Well, he got smoked, so what's he thinking now? He didn't see that queen trap coming, did he? If this closes below this, I'm about to be in that. I'm about to be in that for some sells. I'm in there. Don't know. Might be too far down. Might be too far down now. Goldie. No top wick, really. $15-minute closure. Yeah, I don't quite like this. I don't like it. I'll be right back. All right. What we got going on? Sells, maybe? Sells, maybe? Let me check. NQ. Still coming down. The 1 hour close, no top wick. Started moving down. It just didn't go quite high enough for me. But guess I could have had the zone a little lower on the second one. Second rejection. Maybe. Is there a zone where we could start moving back? Yeah, I mean, maybe in the middle somewhere here. Maybe down here. Classic. This is still kind of trolling around. I don't hate this though, but yo, what is this polka music I got going on? I dig it. All right, we're gonna have to wait 10 minutes. We're just gonna have to wait, man. Least favorite part. Someone's about to get smoked, though. I'll tell you that right now. Let's see. Um, get him out. Hmm. Oh, that's not good. He's gonna take that now. He's gonna take it. I think he fumbled the bag on that one. What? I think I'm in trouble. I think I'm in trouble, man. I mean, he could take this probably, no problem. But oh crap. This guy could definitely beat me right now. Yeah, I was gonna say. Take it, you won't. Take it, you won't. Take it, you won't. Hmm. What? Oh, I'm out of time, bro. I was out of time. Dude, I don't like these time ones. I don't like the time. That's messed up. I need more time to think. I need more time to think about those moves, man. Well, be a weird 30-minute closure, honestly. Holy brother. Oh my goodness. NQ is wild. Wild. Bro, it just created millionaires today and then took all their money. All in the same couple candles. In like 30 minutes. Crazy. Oh, Austin. Nothing. Okay. Nasdaq ripping down here. Absolute bleeder. We should have been in that too, man. Where the cookie crumbles. That's the way it crumbles. About to come for the daily, man. Daily low sitting here. Daily low sitting down there. I did not see this going down, I don't think, though. Maybe. Jeez. Oh, we're definitely waiting 2 minutes. Holy bleeder. $1,500 points? Nah, that can't be right. 382 points. 1,500 pips. Not bad. Not bad at all. So here's the thing. It went up all the way up to here, rejected all the way back down to this line, and then went all the way back up to where it was before, and now it's all the way back down. That's all in like a couple hours. Just a lot of manipulation, a lot of stuff going on. What makes it tough. We got 10 seconds here for a closure though. It's closing well below everything that I was looking at. So, I mean, if that made a top wick like up into here, I might be in that, but I don't think it's going to give us a chance. Go check on gold. Strong closure. That's not bad. It's not bad to go down either. Possibly. All right, we're gonna have sells on the break of the previous low, or hold up. Gosh, I just don't like the no top wick on the higher time frames. It's the only thing I don't like. Look at Nasdaq. It's coming all the way back up. See, you just never know, man. It is tapping into that zone, though. Might take a shot here for a sell. No lie. No lie. We'll take a shot. Order filled. Oh, order filled. We're in there. We're in there. I mean, if it wants to come down and break that daily low, that'd be incredible. Would be phenomenal. Would be incredible. This is the spot I'm willing to risk. This is a shot I'm willing to take here today. Holy. I might look for a really strong candle on this one. I might go for glory on this one, on the combines. We don't have to. We're already up 1,200 on each. We could probably take this, but I'd like to see it rip down and get a max day. That's what I'd like to see. But I also am going to go break even just in case this wants to troll us, because it was up quite a bit into profit. So not a loss I'm willing to take. All about managing the risk. It's okay to take shots as long as you're managing your risk, what you're comfortable with. Like I said, we could have taken 1,500 on this already, but yeah, I think it could go further. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I'll be wrong. I do want to see it pick up the pace here a little bit. Break that low. Start breaking that low. Keep it pushing. Keep it pushing. Can we get the volume? I'm gonna move my stops into profit about. Yeah, I'm gonna do about 900 bucks. So if it goes back up, we'll secure that 900. But if it wants to run, it wants to run. Can we get a blader? Can we get the absolute blader? For the people. For the people. Coming back up. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. Is this a 5 minute? It is. It's always those darn 5 minute candles, bro. They always get me.
Order filled.
All right, we're out. We took full about. We took full about right here. So, not bad. $1,000 bucks. $1,000 on each. We'll take that. We've been getting about 1,000 a day. Pretty much. Yeah, 1,000, 1,200, 1,000, 1,000. Not bad. See, it's always that darn 5 minute candle, man. Comes up, snags us, and then goes all the way back down. You hate to see it. You really hate to see it. Let me take a screenshot. Boom. Boom, boom. W. We'll take that. Move stops into profit. We're gold. That's the trade. Now here's the thing. If we kept our stops up here, the thing is, when it comes down too far, though, I'm not willing to risk that anymore. Because I've seen profit so much. Like, if it wants to come all the way back up, I'm not okay with losing that. You know? But, I mean, this trade could play out if I would have left my stop. Like, left it alone, but wasn't what I'm comfortable with. Wasn't comfortable with it. Stayed longer than you would have. I want to give it a chance to play out because I know how the volume works. But, I mean, like I said, this could still, like, the 5 minute came up, stopped us out, and then run all the way back down, you know? The 1 minute already rejecting. So. Yep, but I mean, a win's a win. You know, let's say you came down, you might have got more than I did. You know, you saw 1,500, you're like, yep, snagging it, and you're just done. But like, I just had a feeling this could keep rolling here, but just didn't get the 5 minute created that stupid top wick on purpose, obviously. But who knows what'll happen? Nobody. I do actually like this, however, on gold. Possibly. Possibly. I don't like it. I actually do want to see NQ like come back up now though. I want to see it come back. Didn't break the daily low yet. But if it can sit above this, yeah, if it can come back and sit above that zone. Oh, is it finally doing it now? Here comes our trade. But what a banger, huh? We caught that up here. Almost like within 5 points. Six points. A pretty good trade. So if we wanted to be a little bit more patient, we could have moved to break even right here. Instead of me taking like, you know, $1,000 here, I could have just been break even, so I wouldn't have lost, but I wouldn't have won either, and then just let this ride. But I think we did the right thing. Anytime you can get some money, you did the right thing. But here it comes for that full trade, maybe breaking the daily lows. Yep. Boom! What an entry we had. What an entry. Crazy. W. Is it gonna fill our whole trade? It's coming for the full TP, man. Would it have gotten there? Still hasn't gotten there yet. Coming for it though. Still hasn't reached it. No way. No way. This is kind of the rejection I was looking for, though. Yeah, down in here. Down in that area, maybe. I don't know, let's see, higher time frame. It's probably a pretty good area here. All right, we got a 15-minute closure. Actually didn't realize that. Daily low got smashed there. How about that? It's turning around. It would have never got to our thing, at least not yet. Checking on Goldie. I actually like this to go down. Yeah, I like that. I like that. I at least like the risk. Goldie's kind of moving slow,
Order
though.
filled.
All right, we're in there. We're in there. We'll risk it a little bit. We'll risk it a little bit. How did that fill us? It didn't even touch us. Oh, I think we just got scammed. I think we just got scammed. No lie. We definitely did. It didn't even touch us. I might get out just because now I'm angry. Now I'm angry. That's messed up. Yeah, I'm not going to risk as much now. I'm just going to get out. If it gets there. Yeah, that's crazy.
Order
Wait,
filled.
it said it got there now. Yo, that was crazy. It wicked us in somehow. And there was like a gap. We got slipped. We got slipped into it, man. Bummer. That's messed up. All right, we'll have to take a loss. We'll have to take a small loss there. Said it wicked us in, but it didn't. That's crazy. All right, well. Still don't mind this, though. That's the problem. Still don't hate this. Yeah, see, now it's doing exactly like... So weird. So weird. Now I'm mad at gold. Now I'm mad at Goldie. Oh, dude, our full trade right there. Full trade smacked. Boom. That would have been 4,500 times 3. Dang, we got gypped on that one. No lie. We got fully gypped. Fully gypped, man. All right, we're getting a turnaround on NQ. Beautiful. Beautiful. And Goldie just messed us up, man. We got a 5 minute? 5 minute? All right, we'll see how the 15 minutes shakes out.
We lose ourselves in the spirit of things. We lose our sight when we put our trust in things of this material world, of things that fade away. Yet we keep coming back, 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 keep coming back. Of things we know.
Coming back down, man. Look at that. Look at that. Oops. Whoops. I'm gonna take a shot here. We're gonna take a shot down here.
Order filled.
I'm gonna move to break even. Shots are only worth it for however much you want to shoot with, you know. I'm only willing to let it bounce quickly. If it doesn't bounce quickly, then I don't want it. Then I don't want it. One shot, one opportunity.
Order filled.
Boom. W. W. $1,500. We'll take it. 1,500 times 3. Go. And with that, we're definitely going to call it. So what we're going to do is we are going to lock out, and we're going to lock out an Asian session because don't nobody want a part of that right now. Not for me. We're going to lock out. Boom. Locked in. We are locked in. Not bad. We took our shots today. Came out victorious. That's the risk we were okay with. And yeah. And we got out when we needed to. That's it, man. That's all there is to it. Stay green today, man. All right, that's it for me. Just a reminder, there is a holiday tomorrow for the market. So, yeah. Yeah, July 3rd. It closes early at like noon tomorrow. So just keep that in mind when you're trading, if you decide to trade. I may be on for a little bit. Wait, actually, what is tomorrow? No stream tomorrow. No stream tomorrow because I am going to be out of town. We're going to be out of town for my nephew's birthday. So no stream tomorrow. Stay green. End the week, man. Just end it if you need to. All right. Peace out. Appreciate you guys.